Welcome to my channel. Today's topic network topology. The art of connecting different computers in a network is known as topology. The term network topology refers to the way in which the nodes of a network are linked together. A node is a computer or any other device on a network that communicate with other devices. Network architecture. Network architecture is an overall design of a computer network that describes how a computer network is configured and what strategies are being used in it. A server is a computer that provides services to clients and control access to hardware, software, and other resources. That is main computer. Clients are the computers that request services like data retrieval, storage, etc. from the server. That is connected computers. Two types of network architectures are client server network. It is a network where several clients or workstations are connected to the server. Second one, peer-to-peer network. It is a network where a few computers having equal capacity and capabilities are connected together to use the resources available on the network. In peer-to-peer network, there is no central server. Instead, each computer can act as a server as well as a client. Types of topologies: point-to-point, bus topology, star topology, ring topology, tree topology, mesh topology, and hybrid topology. Point-to-point topology. It is the simplest form of network structure in which two nodes directly connected with each other. This type of network is more suitable for small areas where computers are in close proximity. This technology provides a faster and reliable connection. Bus topology. In local area networks where bus topology is used, each node is connected to a single cable. The main cable acts as a backbone for the networks. It transmits data only in one direction. In this type of structure, one of the computers in the network acts as the computer server that provides data to all the clients. This topology is used in small networks where cable requirement is relatively small. Advantages of bus topology. It is quite easy to step up. Less cabling, failure of one node does not affect the rest of the network. Disadvantages of bus topology. Fault detection is difficult. A signal on the bus must be strong enough to reach the receiver. If the main cable fails, the entire network becomes unusable. Star topology. In a star topology, all the nodes are connected to the central system called switch or hub, which forwards data towards its final destination. All devices are connected to a central computer using a point-to-point connection. The switch controls the communication on the network. LAN is one of the examples for star topology. Advantages of star topology. It has minimal cost, easy to install and reconfigure. It is robust, that is, if one link fails, only that link will affect and not other than that. Easy to fault identification and fault isolation. Disadvantages of star topology. More cabling is required. It depends on the central switch. If it fails, the entire network goes down. Performance is based on the single concentrator, that is hub. Increased cost due to switch or hub. Next one, ring topology. The computers in a ring topology are connected in the shape of its closed ring. Every node is connected to two nodes, one on its left and second on its right side. Data simply pass from one machine to another. Data travels only in one direction. Each computer passes the data to the next one on the line automatically. It is used in both the LAN and WAN. Advantages of ring topology. Easy to install and configure. Fault isolation is simplified. It is more reliable than a star network. Less expensive. Less cabling. Disadvantages of ring topology. The ring network requires more complicated control software. Unidirectional traffic may occur. Slow transmission. This topology is that if one workstation goes down, the entire network gets affected. Tree topology. It is a common network setup that consists of group of star-figured workstations connected to a linear bus backbone cable. The backbone cable is the main cable on which entire network depends. In this topology, one star network is connected to the other star networks, used mainly in WAN. Advantage of tree topology. The expansion of network is possible and easy. Low cable requirement. Error detection becomes more accessible. If the single node gets defective, it will not affect the other nodes. Disadvantages of tree topology. Difficult to install. The maintenance is difficult. Extremely weak security. If the backbone cable gets defective and fails, the whole network will collapse. Mesh topology. In this topology, each node or device is connected to another node using a particular channel. It doesn't have a centralized authority. In this topology, every node not only sends its own signals but also relays data from the other nodes. It is commonly used in wireless networks. This topology is also used in military communication system and aircraft navigation systems. Advantages of mesh topology. It can handle a large volume of traffic. Communication is very fast between the nodes, reliable, it is robust, the fault is diagnosed easily. If one of the components fails, there is always an alternative present so that the data transfer does not get affected. Expansion and modifications can be done without affecting the other nodes. It provides high privacy and security. Disadvantages of mesh topology. Expensive, complex process, issues with broadcasting messages, installation and configuration is difficult. Hybrid topology. It is a combination of two or more topology is known as hybrid topology. We can choose the topology based on the requirements. Advantages of hybrid topology. If one computer on the network fails, the rest of the network continues to function normally. It's effective, flexible. Disadvantages of hybrid topology. Complex in design, very costly, fault detection is difficult. Thank you.